Okay. Now we go to the next one. In 7.3, we have double angle formula and half angle formula. So we try to find the formula for sine up to theta, cosine to theta, and tangent up to theta. Okay. So yeah. This one, the reason is maybe theta equal 15 degree, right? So you don't you have you multiply by 2 you get sine of 30 degree, and okay, so if theta equal 15 degree, okay, so for example you get sine of 15 degree times cosine 15 degree, so equal what? So equal you use this formula to find that value. Okay, now we use this one very much simple than the other one. We use this formula already, we did last time. So we change 2 theta equal sine of theta plus theta, right? Theta plus theta equal to theta, right? So equal sine theta, A equal theta, B also equal theta. So you have sine theta cosine theta plus sine theta cosine theta. Then you have 2 sine theta cosine theta. So the formula here very, very helpful. 2 sine theta cosine theta. This formula is very, very helpful. So how about cosine to theta? So you plug in cosine 2 theta equal 2 sine theta plus theta, right? Okay, this one theta plus theta equal to theta. So now A equal theta, B also equal theta. So you can have cosine theta minus sine theta sine theta. It gives you cosine square theta minus sine square theta. So you have this one here, you have one equation for cosine 2 theta. Okay, so equal cosine square theta minus sine square theta. So now in this case, whenever you see cosine square or sine square, always you can create another formula, because you use Pythagorean identity. Cosine square equal 1 minus sine square, right? So how about we substitute this one into 1 minus sine square? Okay, then you minus sine square theta. The formula become 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So you have the second formula for the double angle formula here. So I give it here. It's 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So formula number 1, formula number 2 for double angle formula for cosine. The third one, you change this one into 1 minus cosine square. Cosine square theta minus sine square equal 1 minus cosine square theta. So minus become a plus, then cosine square, you have 2 cosine square theta minus 1. So you have the third one is 2 cosine square theta minus 1. So equation number 2 and number 3 lead you to something else we call the half angle formula. But before that, we just do another tangent 2 theta. What is 2 theta equal? So you change to theta plus theta, right? Tangent theta plus theta. Now A equal theta, B also equal theta. Plug here, both of them theta. Tangent theta plus tangent theta over 1 minus tangent theta times tangent theta. So this one the same, you can add them, equal 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent square theta. So then we have another formula for tangent 2 theta square, knowing the first two formula, the first three formula. So you have 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent square theta. Okay, so now this one we call the double angle formula. So you keep looking around, and maybe we create some more formula come from here. So now the point is, whenever you see this one here, you have a single theta, you have a double theta, right? So for example, in the future, you want to find sine 15 degree. right? You find the formula from here to there. You put 15 degree here, then become 30 degree. Then you know you can solve the problem with the half angle formula. Okay, so let me erase this one. No need this one anymore. No need anymore. No need anymore. So what do we need right here is these two here. So I write out, we need this one to create another formula. So you have cosine 2 theta equal 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay. And we have another one is cosine 2 theta equal 1 plus 2 theta, 2 cosine theta. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, so cosine 2 theta equal to 2 cosine theta equal 2 cosine square theta minus 1. Okay, so now how, first of all, we want to isolate sine theta, the single one. So I moved it to the other side. We have 2 sine theta square equal 1 minus cosine 2 theta and divided by 2. Sine square theta equal 1 minus cosine 2 theta divided by 2. So now you take the root both sides. Sine theta equal plus minus root of 1 minus cosine 2 theta divided by 2. So this one, the formula, can you recognize this one is half of this one, right? So now what that means is if theta equals 15, you don't know it, you plug 15 right here and you get cosine 30, then you know, right? So now, but we have to formulate this. So to look like a half angle, this one not a half angle. So we change to let theta equal a over 2. Okay, you plug a over 2 here. Sine of a over 2 equals, so if theta equal a2, therefore 2 theta have to be equal a, right? You multiply both sides by 2, right? So you put, instead of 2 theta, you put a. So equal plus minus root of 1 minus cosine a over 2. Okay, so what a big deal. If you want to find sine of 50 degree, okay, you can change to sine of 30 degree over 2, right? 30 divided by 2, 15, we don't change. Now a become 30. Then you plug 30 right here. So equal plus minus root of 1 minus cosine 30 degree divided by 2. And you have the formula for sine a over 2. This one the formula you're looking for. Half angle formula. Okay. Now the next one here. We solve for cosine square. 2 cosine square theta equal this one minus plus 1, right? Equal cosine 2 theta plus 1. Now I rearrange to look like this to make sure we remember better. So you have cosine square theta equal 1 plus cosine 2 theta. This plus this the same, this plus this. Then you divide by 2, okay? You divide by 2 from here and you change bit 1 to match with this one, what you look in here. Now take a root, you have cosine theta equal plus minus root of 1 plus cosine 2 theta divided by 2. So this one another formula for the half angle formula. From here, you substitute theta equal a over 2 again, you make it half angle, so you go cosine a over 2 equal plus minus root of 1 minus cosine a divided by 2. So this one here, the half angle for cosine a, then a half angle for sine theta, sine a over 2. So you combine together and you find out a half angle formula for tangent by yourself, okay? Tangent a over 2 equal sine of a over 2 divided by cosine of a over 2. Okay, you put this one over this one, simplify it, and yourself you're going to find the formula for half angle, formula for tangent.